హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు టీఎఫ్పిసి దిస్ ఇస్ రేణు. ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు అఖండ కదా, ఎక్కడ చూసిన రోరింగ్ కనిపిస్తుంది. అఖండ ఫిల్మ్ రోరింగ్. ఎస్, అఖండ ఫిల్మ్లో మనకి స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రేమ్లోనే కనిపించారు ఒక నెగిటివ్ షేడ్లో విలన్గా యాక్ట్ చేసిన నితిన్ మెహతా మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. లెట్స్ టాక్ టు హిమ్. హలో సార్, హాయ్, నమస్కారం.
Hello, Namaskaram.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫర్ ద హ్యూజ్ సక్సెస్.
Thank you so much.
యా, అండ్ హౌస్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ అఖండ?
Oh, experience is amazing. It is out of this world. I never thought that someday I'll be sitting here and people will be asking who this villain is, because it is amazing. And the energy and the vibes here in Hyderabad I've seen of this movie is outstanding, mind blowing.
సో దిస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు? ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్?
Yes, this is my first film in Telugu.
గట్టిగా కొట్టారు, హ్యూజ్ ఫస్ట్ సక్సెస్ అయింది. లైక్
I'm blessed. God's blessings are there that first movie I worked with Boyapatti sir and Balakrishna sir. Blessings, that's all.
అండ్ ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏదైతే ఒక అఘోరాల ఒక బ్లాక్ మసి పూసుకొని ఆ షేడ్లో ఉన్నారు, ఆ తర్వాత ఇమీడియట్గా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆయనైనా అనిపించింది. గెటప్ అండ్ ఆల్, such a huge transformation in the getup.
Yes, first look was when I entered it.
It's completely different.
Totally young look. It is about 20 years back.
Yeah.
And suddenly you can see me in Guruji's outlook.
Yeah.
And then later on, Guruji converts into actually he comes out in his own avatar as a totally villain, open to the world.
Open to the world.
So it is a very good character. And when I was told about this character, best thing I was that my first movie and I am getting 3 looks, different kind of looks in this.
And you were in the first frame itself.
Yes, absolutely.
Opening
film. The film opens with me coming down.
Yeah. సో 3 లుక్స్ చూసుకున్నప్పుడు అండ్ ఇన్ 70 mm స్క్రీన్ ఎలా అనిపించింది?
It was amazing. I saw this movie first day, first show. That what time I was in Delhi. So I could not feel that vibe. So I took a flight and came to Hyderabad to see that actual 70 mm with the Dolby everything and with the BGM of Taman. What effect it has. Actually you can feel it here.
Yeah. So and Balaya song chusara and
that's a hit. Balakrishna sir is a legend. There's no comparison. So whatever he does, above everything.
సో ఆయనతో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది బాలకృష్ణ గారితో?
Balakrishna sir is amazing, very very humble person. He helped me a lot. Like first movie and first day shoot was with Bala sir.
Okay.
So I was a bit nervous, nervous because excitement, huge movie, I have to deliver everything, and nervousness, Bala sir. And some dialogues also Telugu. The language is new to me. But my hands were sweating. But when I met Balakrishna sir, he made me so comfortable. I never felt that I was working for the first time in this industry. Made me so comfortable.
Yeah, and first ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ అండ్ దట్ టు తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్, మీకు రాని లాంగ్వేజ్, అండ్ ఇన్ అ హ్యూజ్ ఫిల్మ్, హ్యూజ్ స్టార్ కాస్ట్ ఉన్న ఫిల్మ్, అండ్ భారీ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, హ్యూజ్ సెట్ ఉంటుంది, లాట్ ఆఫ్ క్రూ ఉంటుంది. సో తెలుగు డెలివర్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది?
See, when you're on the set, there's so many people.
Yeah.
And I don't know the language. All the eyes, about 1,000 eyes are on you. So you become more nervous. So many people are watching because you don't know the language and still you have to deliver it.
Yeah.
But I would say complete production team, all the actors, everybody has helped me to come out with this character. There was no one, I felt so comfortable there. After 2-3 days initial of working, it was like a home to me. Because everything was so known. They know me and I know them. What is going to happen, what is happening, and what is going to happen. And it became so comfortable. It was so comfortable that I could come out with this role with their help.
ఓకే. సో అసలు ఎవరు అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది ఈ ఫిల్మ్ కోసం? Who approached you for this film?
I think they saw my pictures in the Instagram, my modeling pictures.
Okay.
So when I came here, they told me that we were looking for somebody who has got looks, and we found that on Instagram we found your photos, and that look Boyapati sir was looking, that was there in my eyes. Then they found out my contact number and then contacted me. It was just out of the blue it happened, and suddenly a call came that I have to come to Hyderabad to meet Boyapati sir for this movie.
Okay. So any dialogue you remember? ఏదైనా
Dialogue, I'm very sorry, I don't remember any dialogue because Telugu is a difficult language, and
Yes,
and on the set I tried to imitate what was there, but be assured, next 15-20 days I will come out with some dialogues of my movie in Telugu.
ఓకే. సో ఏదైనా పదాలు నేర్చుకున్నారా తెలుగులో? కొన్ని కొన్ని పదాలు ఏమైనా డిడ్ యూ లెర్న్ ఎనీ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు?
Not much, because more concentration was on the
Acting and-
acting part and
Expressions.
expression and how to deliver, and because the dubbing also has to be as your lip sync. So more concentration at this time was on that thing. But now I found out that I have to now put in all efforts to learn the language. So my next whatever projects I get, it will be much easier for me also, and obviously for the
As an audience also.
And I think soon you will being interviewing me with in Telugu only.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. So, sir, ఇప్పుడు లాంగ్వేజ్ తెలియనప్పుడు అందులో ఉన్న ఫీల్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవటం కష్టమే అనిపిస్తుంది. సో డిడ్ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీ ఇన్ ద అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద క్యారెక్టర్, అండ్ హూ హెల్ప్డ్ యూ ద
Oh,
మోస్ట్?
no, I did not find any problem in understanding the character, because Boyapati sir's vision is
Clear.
absolutely clear. There's no fog in it. Absolutely clear vision. What is required, he's very clear. And he explained me everything. First meeting only I came to know what I'm supposed to do. And on the sets, when he is there, I don't have to worry anything. Because he's very clear what he wants, and he will explain in such a easy way that it becomes much easier for me.
Yeah. So you're from army.
I've served in army.
Yeah. Thank you so much for serving the country.
Thank you.
I'm so happy to meet you today, actually.
My pleasure.
Because very few people అంటే ఒక ఆ కంట్రీ గురించి, పీపుల్ని సర్వ్ చేయడం గురించి వీ నో హౌ స్ట్రగుల్ ఈజ్ దేర్ ఫర్ యూ, అండ్ బట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచే చూస్తూనే ఉంటాం ఎంత స్ట్రగుల్ ఉంటుంది అని. అండ్ చాలాసార్లు అనిపిస్తుంది కూడా, హౌ కెన్ దీస్ పీపుల్ అంటే అంత ప్యాట్రియాటిక్గా ఎలా ఉండగలుగుతారు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీస్ని ఇక్కడే వదిలేసి ఎమోషన్స్కి దూరంగా, హౌ ఎలా అది ఎలా జరుగుతుంది నిజంగా?
See, army is totally, yes, you have to have something to go in the army, because everybody cannot join. But there are different kind of
everybody cannot join.
everybody, and because you have to live in difficult situations, difficult conditions, mentally, physically, everything, all kind of pressures are there 24 hours a day. But at the end of it, it is my privilege to serve in army, and I loved every moment of it. I still remember army, because very good days I have spent in army, my young days, my training days. I've seen the country because of army, and what I am today is because of army. What I was taught there, I am following that principles only, and I think that helped me to be here today.
Yeah, and there is a sensation also, like an army person turned into a model and into acting. He's coming into acting, and
Right.
there is a lot of buzz and lot of sensation. Like, ఎలా అనిపించింది? How do you feel about it?
It feels nice, because after serving for 21 years, then getting into modeling was totally opposite. Totally opposite. And then modeling and acting is also very different, because here expressions and lot of things are different.
Yeah.
Modeling is totally different. But yes, I've enjoyed all kind of work, whatever I get. When I was army, I enjoyed that period. When I was doing modeling, I have enjoyed that every phase of that. Now I'm enjoying acting, and I don't mind doing any kind of work. Like if somebody calls me for a ramp walk, I would love to go there also. And acting, yes, it is totally changed my life now.
ఓకే, సో యూజువల్గా ఆర్మీలో చాలా డిసిప్లిన్ ఉంటుంది.
Right.
అండ్ ఇక్కడ షూట్స్లో కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, పీపుల్ విల్ బి లైక్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ద మూమెంట్, బికాజ్ for us, every moment is like a festival, every moment is like a celebration.
Right.
And ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ని ఎలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేశారు?
I did not find much of a difference because here also, when I was working with Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir, there's a lot of discipline on the set. When you are working, you're working with a aim, a goal, and a lot of discipline, dedication, everything is there, hard work is there. So I thought, I've seen both of the worlds now. Yes, when you are free, you enjoy, and that the case same in the army also. When you are off duty, you enjoy. When you are on duty, you are focused. Same thing I find with Telugu industry also. When we were on the set, we are, yes, moments are there in
Conscious,
between.
yeah.
Moments are there in between that we are enjoying and all. That is, well, yes, in a particular way, there is a difference. Like there, different kinds of pressures are there. Here, different kind of pressures are there. But you cannot compare both worlds. Both worlds have got its own positives and both negatives.
Yes, yes.
So it is better to enjoy those positives and put negatives aside.
ఓకే. సో మోడలింగ్లోకి రావడం ఎలా జరిగింది? హౌ డిడ్ యూ టర్న్ ఇంటూ ఏ మోడల్?
I had no intentions of modeling and all. It just happened. Somebody spotted me at Hyderabad airport only.
ఓకే.
I was going to Delhi,
ఓకే.
and then he told me that there's a small movie if you would like to act.
Okay.
He asked my email ID, and morning he gave me a script. But that thing, after that, it just fizzled out. We never met and nothing happened. So he told me that you look like a model or something. So it just, I thought, model, let me see. Then I asked 2-3 people, well, yes, now this salt pepper look is, that was in 2016.
ఓకే.
The salt pepper look is in thing. People are having the salt pepper look and it is looking good on you. Then I got my portfolio done and, well, let me give a shot. And I was lucky that projects started coming to me, and then I got into modeling full time.
Okay, so do you have any traces in your childhood regarding acting or modeling?
As a childhood, I have acted in school plays,
Okay.
and yes, modeling I have done once
Yeah.
during my army training days.
Okay.
That's all. That was forced on me, so I did.
Okay.
And otherwise, after that, I in fact, when I was in army and before this modeling and movie started, I was a very laid back person. I did not want to go and watch a movie also. So I always thought that movie 3 hours, who is going to sit down for 3 hours? So not much of a movie person, not much of a model. I did not know who the model is there.
Okay, showcasing and
But when life turned this way, so I thought, I think destiny has written something for me this way. So I traveled on this and now I am loving it.
Okay, so you are into Tamil industry.
I worked for 2
You
films.
started from Tamil?
Yes, I got 2 films there. Small roles were there. A 2 days, 3 days shoot. But it was a good exposure there also because I was looking for something bigger where my screen presence and people should recognize me. And then Akhanda happened.
Okay, so how are you feeling now?
Oh, the feeling is amazing. The kind of messages I am getting on my social media platforms, people who have watched. Most of the people are from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In fact, complete India, Telugu speaking people who watch Telugu movies. Overwhelming. I am blessed. People have accepted me as in their industry. They're welcoming me with their open arms to the Telugu film industry. I'm thankful for them.
Okay, so what is your experience with Boyapati garu?
Boyapati sir, passionate, too much passion for movies. Once he's on set, he's the man. He can get
Set
anything
is on
done.
fire.
Anything. He can get anything done from the actors. He's so passionate, so dedicated. He's got so much of vision. Very, very clear about his ideas, very clear about his project, what he wants and how it is to be done. Very clear and very hardworking, very, very hardworking. I never met a person more passionate than him.
ఓకే, సో యాజ్ అన్ ఆర్మీ పర్సన్ అందులో వర్క్ చేశాక మీకు తెలుస్తుంది వాట్ ఈజ్ రియల్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ నాట్. అండ్ ఫిల్మ్స్లో మెనీ ఆర్మీకి సంబంధించి చాలా స్టోరీస్ వచ్చాయి. మెనీ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆన్ ద బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్మీ ఆర్ ఆర్మీ పర్సన్. అండ్ అట్ ద బార్డర్
Hmm.
ఇష్యూస్ అట్ ద బార్డర్ అండ్ ఆల్. సో అవన్నీ చూసినప్పుడు మీకు ఏమనిపించింది? హౌ డు యూ ఫెల్ట్ అబౌట్ దోస్ ఫిల్మ్స్?
See, certain movies, because movie is a totally commercial business. So obviously there has to be some kind of story has to be rooted. Because- and certain movies they're made very nice, like Border, it was there, Border Hindi movie. It was made very nicely, and but there also lot of commercialization has to be done.
ఓకే.
So you cannot deny that, because otherwise it will become a documentary kind of thing, what I think.
రైట్.
Because you have to attract people and watch. But yes, these kind of films should come in between, so that people they know that how the conditions are there, the border, and how people how our army people they live at the borders, how their life is. So it is a good medium to tell everyone, because
Expose
everybody
how they-
is not in touch with army. But that's a very good medium to educate people how army is.
Yes, people should know, because they should know how precious the life is.
Yes, absolutely.
యా, వన్స్ వాళ్ళని చూస్తే తప్పితే, అక్కడ స్ట్రగల్ చూస్తే తప్పితే మన లైఫ్ ఎంత బాగుంది అనేది అర్థం కాదు కదా.
See, everyday struggle everybody is doing,
Yeah.
but that is a different kind of struggle which
యా,
nobody can experience till the time you are there.
ఎస్, ఎస్, బట్ యూ విల్ బీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ విత్ ఆల్ ద డేస్,
Yeah.
ఎవ్రీ డే. ఓకే, ఆ డేస్ ఎలా గడిచాయి ఆర్మీలో?
Army, it's totally different, because on the borders you are there, so on the post, so that nobody crosses. Otherwise, now our army is looking after counter insurgency operations also, after terrorist operations also, all these kind of things. So life is tough, so busy from morning to evening. You are on duty 24 hours actually. So there's no Sunday, there's no Monday, every day is same, and you can be
Working.
called anytime. So it is all 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So but life is good. That life is also a good life, different kind of. Very few people like me are blessed to have tasted that also life.
యా. సో డూ యూ నో అబౌట్ నితిన్, ఆర్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ యాక్టర్?
Yes, I have seen just now last movie I saw where he acted blind.
ఎస్,
I saw that. Yeah, I saw that movie about the day it got released. It came on OTT platform. I watched
యాక్చువల్లీ హిస్ ఐస్ ఆల్సో సమ్వాట్ మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంది మీ ఐస్కి.
Okay.
యా, లిటిల్ బిట్.
that. Uh-huh.
యా, యా. సో తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్స్లో ఎవరి ఫిల్మ్స్ ఎక్కువ చూస్తారు? విచ్ హీరో ఫిల్మ్స్ యూ విల్ వాచ్ మెనీ టైమ్స్?
I have watched many films, because this Telugu films, lot of Telugu films, dubbed films used to come in the TV.
ఓకే.
So just lying down in the afternoons, I used to flip channels wherever I find good action, and I used to stop. So I used to watch Allu Arjun, Mahesh Babu. I have seen Pawan Kalyan sir's movie, Nagarjun sir's movie, Chiranjeevi sir's, Bala sir's, because their action was high on action movies. So just
High
keep
voltage
on,
action
so
films.
keep on flipping the channels, and wherever some good action, without knowing the name of the movie,
యా, యా.
who's there, just watching it because I found it good.
ఓకే.
And I never knew that someday I will be
ఇన్
sitting
దట్.
in that industry.
ఓకే, సో రీసెంట్గా మీరు చూసిన తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ మీకు బాగా నచ్చింది?
Recently I saw this only, Nitin's movie.
మాస్ట్రో.
Yes, this I saw. That was my latest. And before that, once I got this, before meeting Boyapati sir, I had seen Legend and Sima.
ఓకే.
So that time I was amazed to see the Jagapati Babu's role transformation suddenly into such a great villain. It was
Yeah,
amazing in that.
అప్ టు జెన్ ఫ్యామిలీ
Yes,
హీరోగా
he
మా
was
అందరికీ తెలుసు. అండ్ ఒకేసారి ఆ ఫియర్స్ఫుల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది టెరిఫిక్.
Absolutely. And Boyapati sir has transformed his looks so nicely that is amazing.
ఓకే. డిడ్ యూ గాట్ ఎనీ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ TFI, తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఎనీ సెలబ్రిటీ?
As of now, I have not met, because I just came yesterday. I think tomorrow, day after, I've got some meetings. Let me see, because of these meetings have come because of, I think, my work. So that is a big compliment to me.
యా. సో ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ప్రొఫెషన్ ఎంచుకుని అందులో ఒక స్థానంలో ఉన్న తర్వాత, సో మళ్ళీ వేరే ప్రొఫెషన్కి వెళ్తూ యూ నీడ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ జీరో అగైన్. సో ఇజంట్ ఇట్ డిఫికల్ట్?
Yes, it is difficult to start again from zero. I left army when I was 44 years old.
Yeah.
At that time, most of the people are settled, well settled.
Yeah.
But it is good because if I would have settled that time, I won't have grown up. I think I'm growing now, because at a certain level, every person, if he leaves doing certain new things, is going to be
Yeah.
stagnation. So
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
no change,
In life.
no life, and no growth in life.
Uh,
I found this is a good opportunity, like going from army to getting into modeling. Then after modeling, getting into ad films, TV commercials, and then from there jumping to movies. So everything is exciting. Every day your palms should sweat. You should sweat. Okay, something new is coming. You don't know what is going to come.
Yeah.
So that gives you a different kind of a high.
Yeah. So, and once you entered into modeling or into acting, those struggles are different,
Yes,
and people will struggle much more to come into in this industry
true.
to showcase themselves. And did you avi meer experience chesara? Did you experience them
Kind
to
of
expose yourself?
yes, difficulties
get
everywhere,
chance.
because you have to wait for right chance, and you have to showcase yourself. Otherwise, nobody is going to know you. Like when I started modeling, I did not know whom to contact. I don't know there are talent managers are there, talent agents are there, casting agencies are there. I did not know anything. So what I used to do was every day sit down on a laptop, type casting directors in New Delhi, casting directors in Mumbai, get the list out,
Okay.
take the phone numbers in a diary,
Okay.
call them up or send my pictures to them or mail them and wait. So I've done more than about 500, 600 list, and then do like this. I started waited for long. Some work would come, and then there's no work for months to go. 2-3 months there's no work. So yes, struggle is there, but you have to keep on moving. Then only something will happen.
Okay, so who gave you good vibe or good energy or some encouragement to come into this industry?
Actually, wherever I worked, I found good people. When in modeling also, wherever first assignment I got, at first 2 assignments, I got very good people who gave me good vibes and tried to help me
Uplift.
out and uplift me with this my work and help me out with this industry. Same was the case with the movies also. Here, like when I landed up in Telugu industry, Boyapati sir, Balakrishna sir, our DOP Ramachandran sir, Stunt Shiva, Fight Master, everybody was new to me. And I was a beginner, and they are all legends in their work. But God is great that I was with them, and I got good work and good support from them, and that always excites me. People are there who are helping you out, so why not work more?
Yeah.
So everywhere, by God's grace, I got good people who helped me out to move to the next step. So I found good people everywhere. Everywhere good people are there.
So you experienced a real fight in life, fighting for the country at the border, and these stunts and fight action scenes. What do you feel? What do you feel?
That is totally a different ball game, because their lives are involved. Suddenly, somebody might lose their life.
Yeah.
But you cannot compare the two things, because this is a separate industry and it's an acting kind of thing. But yes, lot of efforts, lot of pain goes here also in this industry, because to manage one fight sequence, it takes hours to formulate that, and then using cranes, your strings, your safety, everything has to be kept in mind. It has to be a proper planning for that. So that way, everything, both are same, because to fight a war you need a plan. For executing a fight scene also, for a direction also you need to execute a plan. Both are same, so you cannot compare that. Same planning is different here, different there. Their lives are involved. Here your effort, your hard work is involved. So it is same, but only
In
the
a different,
difference is
platform.
only different thing is that actual lives are involved.
Yeah.
Only the difference is that. Otherwise, I found that everything discipline wise. You have to be disciplined in both the ways, because if you don't follow the rules here, you're going to get hurt. So I think same.
Okay. So what is your first feel for that scenes, for action scenes and all?
Action scenes, I was watching, Fight Master told me to just see how the fighters are doing first, the stunts. So I saw that, and because being in army, I was physically okay, so I could grasp those things quite fast. But yes, it takes a lot of effort, because each move has to be coordinated. And I used to look to the fighters. He used to tell me how to do it. Fight Master used to be there along with me. Okay, we'll pull with this much of force, this much you will go back.
Yeah.
So those things have to be coordinated. Then somebody else will do. I'll stand there, watch him 2-3 times. Then I will go into the harness. He will make me do 2-3 times till the time I am comfortable. And then we go for a shot.
Okay.
So it's a great experience, because in this I did the cable stunts and all, falling down and all. It was good. So I came to know how much force is required, how it is done. Great feeling, but a great experience.
ఓకే. సో కమింగ్ టు బాలకృష్ణ గారు, ఆయన్ని దూరం నుంచి చూసేది వేరు, ఆయనతో వర్క్ చేసేది, ఆయనతో కలిసి ఉండేది, ట్రావెల్ చేసేది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వేరు. హిల్ బీ విత్ హ్యూమర్ అండ్ హిల్ బిహేవ్ లైక్ ఎ కిడ్, లైక్ చైల్డిష్నెస్. హిల్ ఎంజాయ్ డూయింగ్ సీన్స్, డాన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
Oh, he's, whatever the situation is there, he's into that. I found him very, very humble person, very down to earth, helpful, and very knowledgeable. We, in between the scenes, we used to sit down together and have chats on all kinds of topics. Mythological, he's got so much of knowledge. And when he was with the kids there, he used to talk like them. So he is fun to work with. Very, very dedicated. So much of energy, such an aura. He's a legend himself. When he walks into the set, you feel energetic. So he's a legend. Should I say that? I think his energy gets transformed on the set, and everybody is so energized and work with full josh.
Okay. So did you find any difficulty during this film regarding a scene or a shot?
No, I did not find any difficulty, because it was made so easy by Boyapati sir that when the shot was to be done, he used to explain it so easily and help me out in every possible way, so that there's no doubt in the artist's mind that what is to be done, and there's no loopholes left. Very, very clear vision. Clarity is so much that you know what is to be done when. So it was a very good experience working with him, and he's got a great vision and so much of passion. And when he stands in front of you and tell you how to do a role, you can see yourself in him and doing like this. So it was amazing. And moreover, I found all the people, the DOP, Ram Prasad sir, Fight Master, the ADs, everybody was so helpful that they made me very, very comfortable.
Okay. So did you observe any change from the Tamil industry and Telugu industry?
Tamil industry, I would not be able to say, because I've not done big roles in that. 2-3 days, you don't get to know the unit. But the Telugu industry, I would say very, very disciplined here. Disciplined work. Everybody knows their job, what is to be done and when. And everybody is, once it starts, everybody is onto it. Very, very disciplined, very, very systematic kind of work. I could feel that, like in army, people say that this is the most disciplined place. I would consider there is also very much disciplined. Everything is scheduled as per timing. Everything is going
should
as
be
per,
done
yes,
in the time itself.
timing
Yeah,
itself.
yeah.
And everybody is helping others to finish off things. It is not that my work is this and I am done. So everybody is that unit becomes like a family. Cohesiveness is there. That a teamwork is there. That thing has to be delivered in time and best quality. So everybody comes together and do it.
Okay, how your family members received?
They are happy,
Yeah.
but they could not see this what I am going through here. Lot of
acha,
the
acha.
vibe. This
Okay.
vibe is totally different
Yeah,
because
yeah.
there in North you cannot see this kind of
Yeah.
a halla and this fan movement here. Bala sir's fan following,
Huh.
which can be seen here only.
యా ఓకే సో వన్స్ మీరు మోడలింగ్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మీ ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళ రిసీవింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది, వాళ్ళ రెస్పాన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
My father was a bit had some doubt that at this age 44 why you want to get into this, do something else, why unsettled life and all. I asked him, just give me one chance, let me try out, and if it does not happen I'll switch over somewhere else. But after that it's fine because work is coming and I'm doing it and he's happy now. After this movie he saw with me on 2nd of December. He was feeling very happy and proud. But like, yes, so this is a good work you have done.
ఓకే సో యువర్ హోమ్ టౌన్ ఇస్?
We stay in Delhi.
ఓకే, ఢిల్లీ. ఓకే సో హైదరాబాద్ ఫుడ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి?
Hyderabad, I've got a long connection. When I was in army, I was in Hyderabad. 94, 95, I was in Hyderabad, 1994.
ఓకే
Then 2008, 9, 10, I was in Hyderabad. 2012, 13, I was in Hyderabad. 2016, I was in Hyderabad.
ఓకే
So,
యువర్ హైదరాబాద్
so I've been to most of the Secunderabad places I know because we used to stay in the Kant area. And here I used to come very less, like to Panjagutta and Banjara Hills. That's all. But this high-tech city was not there that time. It was opening up. Hyderabad has come up with such nice food here, such nice places here. I used to have biryani and halim, everything here.
యా
And we used to go to Charminar
యా
and a lovely place.
ఓకే సో ఫైనలీ వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫిల్మ్స్?
Next film, let's see, soon is going to happen. If once
Something
it
big is
finalizes,
coming.
let's see what something happens.
Like we received the news that something big you are doing.
It is in the pipeline. Soon you'll come to know.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving your
Thank
time,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much.